Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I hope you're having a great day. Such beautiful sunshine. Il fait beau soleil aujourd'hui. We are so excited, me and Ananas, to show you rhyming words today. Can you say bonjour, Ananas? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, she's coming. Bonjour, Ananas. Ça va bien? Oui, ça va bien. So if you have a favorite friend or a favorite stuffy that you would like to have sitting beside you as you learn French words, well, that's just fine. So rhyming words today is going to be a very fun lesson. But first, we need to choose a color. On va choisir une couleur. On va aller voir dans le stylo pour les couleurs. Can you repeat the colors after me? Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange et rouge. So I'm wearing une casquette rouge. Let's go with rouge aujourd'hui. So this series is called French with Ananas and it's lesson 2.6, E sound. Leçon 2.6, son E. So rhyming words today, words that rhyme together are words that have the same sound at the end. So for example, bat and cat. They are rhyming words because they both have the at sound at the end. Another example would be frog and dog. They are rhyming words because they both end in the sound og. So let's see if we can find some of our a sound words and e sound words that rhyme together. Our first two are cerise, chemise. Do you think those two words rhyme together? Cerise, chemise. So I hear the e's sound at the end here and the e's sound at the end over here. If you think, yes, they are rhyming words, you are correct. They are rhyming words. Cerise rhymes with chemise. Yay! You are already learning French rhyming words. Bravo! Our next words are chemin, ananas. Oh, Ananas loves this word. We know that's your favorite word. Do they rhyme together? Chemin, ananas. So I can hear the sound A at the end and A at the end. If you said no, they don't rhyme together, you are correct. Chemin does not rhyme with ananas. Let's move on. Can we find some more rhyming words? Oh, chemin, requin. Chemin, requin. I can hear A at the end of chemin and A at the end of requin. Do you think they rhyme together? They do rhyme together. Bravo! Chemin rhymes with requin. Bravo! Really nice listening. Our next two words. Renard, tangerine. Renard, tangerine. At the end of this word, renard, I hear the R sound. At the end of tangerine, I hear the in. Do you think renard and tangerine rhyme? No, they are not rhyming words. Good job. Let's see if we can find some more. Oh, there's two more words. Renard, canard. Are those rhyming words? Renard has the end sound of R, and canard has the end sound of R. Well, they sound exactly the same to me, so they must be rhyming words. So let's repeat them together. Renard, canard. They are rhyming words. Renard, canard. Yay! Bravo! So we will move on to our next words. Melon, ballon. Melon has the on as the end sound. Ballon has on as end sound. Do they sound like they rhyme to you? Melon, ballon. Oui, they are rhyming words. Bravo! Very good listening. Oh, there's two more. Melon and avion. Melon, the end sound is on, and avion, the end sound is on. Do you think melon and avion are rhyming words? Yay! If you said yes, you are correct. Melon and avion are rhyming words. Bravo! So today we found three words that have the on sound as the end sound. So these three words rhyme together. Melon, ballon, avion. Good job, mes amis. Oh, what's this? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Ananas, should we get le sac? Okay. Madame a son sac. Oh, regarde, j'ai mon sac. Mon sac. Mon sac. Oh, Ananas, it's very heavy today. Très pesant. Heavy. Oh, should we look inside? Dans le sac? On va regarder dans le sac. On va regarder. Did you want to have a look? Dans le sac? Oh, this is something. It's big. Oh, c'est gros. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, look at this. Oh, oh, regarde. Oh, wow. C'est un canard. Canard. Can you say that word? Canard. Do you remember what canard rhymes with? Renard. Good job. Canard et renard. I hope you had a really fun time learning rhymes today. I had a great time. We'll see you next lesson. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir.